You want to design beautiful emails without touching a single line of code? I've tried all the most popular tools out there, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning, professional emails with zero tech skills. And stick around, because I'll also show you how to get an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, only available to viewers of this channel. Let's jump right in. First, open the link in the description to access the software. It's drag and drop, so everything is visual, no code, no stress. Once you're in, choose a template that fits your purpose. Newsletter, promo, announcement, you name it. These templates are pre-designed to look great on desktop and mobile, and they already follow best practices for readability and conversion. After selecting a template, you can start customizing. Click on any section to edit text, replace images, change colors, or move things around. Everything updates live as you work. Want your logo at the top? Just drag it in. Need a call to action button? Drop one in, link it, and you're done. You can also duplicate or delete blocks with one click. It's all built to save time and keep things looking sharp. What's really powerful is the ability to personalize your email without coding. For example, you can auto-insert the recipient's name or other dynamic content by selecting merge tags from a drop-down. No HTML knowledge needed. Once you're happy with your design, hit preview to see how it'll look across devices. You can even send a test email to yourself to double-check everything looks clean and clickable. And if you're sending to a list, the software handles everything. Just upload your contacts, write your subject line, and schedule or send immediately. If you're wondering about deliverability, yes, the software we're using is optimized to land in inboxes, not spam folders. It even has built-in analytics, so you can track opens, clicks, and engagement after your email goes out. Here's the key takeaway. You no longer need a developer or designer to create beautiful emails. With the right tool, it takes minutes, not hours, and you'll get better results with less effort. Quick recap, start with a pre-designed template, customize everything visually, use merge tags for personalization, test your design, and send it confidently. And don't forget, the exclusive free trial is in the description below. It's only available for viewers of Dan Thorne's channel, so take advantage while it's still up. That's it. You now know exactly how to design beautiful emails without coding. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and watch your emails start performing better than ever.